Hi, this is Brad. We're going to do a walk around on a 2005 Chevy Malibu, 33,922 miles on it, stock number 4065. It is a salvage vehicle. And the damage is real isolated here. You can see the windshield, and then there's some on the post. And then we got some right on the passenger side door post, and the door is damaged. And we'll back up. You can see that door is overlapping. The rear door seems to be good. That door opens and closes fine. And we'll go up around the front. The coolers are good on this vehicle. Looks like there is a mounting ear damaged on the front. The vehicle is running. It's got a 3500 V6. Overflow bottle is full on it. And you can see there's some damage on the bumper cover. Coming around, the driver's headlight is good on it. The hood is damaged on it. You can see that up on that corner there. It's going to need a hood. And going around the car, like I say, it's pretty much isolated to that right side. Driver's side looks good here. It's just dirt. Nothing real serious there. And walking around, you can see it did. Something came back and it hit the tail light on it. It's the tail light. And we're back around here, and I don't see any pressure whatsoever on the roof. And you can see on the inner structure, there's a little damage right there. And we'll go inside for the options. Vehicle does have power windows, power locks, air, cruise, tilt. Does have a CD player. There you can see there's some damage where they actually did hit the center console on it. The center console is busted up on it. No airbags are deployed. Airbag lights are good. You can see because the belt is off. The battery light is on. It's not charging. And fairly clean car for the year. Looks like it does have adjustable pedals on it too, and it does have lumbar support on the seat, or up and down adjustment on the seat. So, but front and back is manual. Yep. So that's about it. Give us a call if you have any questions on this vehicle, and there'll be some information how you can sign up to get video updates through YouTube. Thank you for viewing. Thank you for viewing that video from Advanced Auto. And this is Brad. I just want to explain a few of the things on YouTube, and I want to point out this button right here that says subscribe. And I want to tell you a little bit about that. If you push that button, that'll take you through a process through YouTube that you will subscribe to our channel, which is Repairables.com, and you will receive our videos and our videos only from YouTube. And this is very nice because it'll give you video updates before anybody else gets them of new inventory coming into Advanced Auto. As soon as we post a video and put it on YouTube, you're going to get an email, and you'll be able to see the make and model of that car. And hey, if you want to watch the video, go ahead. If you don't, you can go ahead and delete it. And also, if you click on Repairables.com, this will bring you to this page, which is actually our channel. And then there's also a subscribe button right there where you can subscribe. And it does explain a bunch of things about the company that we've been in 27 years. And then a nice feature on the bottom is you can scroll down and you can look at all the videos we have posted and vehicles that we have sold. And it can give you a pretty overall idea what kind of inventory we're buying. And maybe at that point you'd say, hey, I'd want to subscribe because he's getting in the kind of cars, we're getting in the kind of cars that I am interested in. So it's a very nice feature. And again, like I say, all you would have to do is push the subscribe button and go through the process. And anytime in the future, if you decide that you want to unsubscribe, that's very easy to do too, where you won't receive the updates anymore. So please keep viewing, and I hope you subscribe to our channel, Repairables.com. And I want to thank you again. Thanks again.